What is this thing, guys? Yeah. What up, man?
What up?
Yeah. We're in the house tonight, man. Jeez, oh Pete's truck. Dang, this thing's crazy.
Shut that off before they come up there and be like, who did that? Like, I don't know, man. I heard it too. There was somebody over there on that big car.
It says, get the feel. Please feel free to have a seat in the pilot seat. For real? I'm going to sit in it.
Yeah, you can. Go ahead, man. Here, you want me to do a video on it?
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, man, here we go. Damn. This is handlebars and all. Yeah, what up, Chuck? Man, we got a good shot of Blaze in the room from here. Yeah, check this out, guys. Holy crap. Dude, can you imagine this? Is this really a motorcycle? How does that work? Big windshield. Can you imagine trying to drive this thing down the road? Or actually, dude, the speedometer says 160. Are you nuts? Damn, look at the brake pedal. Gas pedal.
We found this new ride, y'all.
Huge, has a new trap blazer.
New ride.
Dude, that'd be so awesome. Look down the nose of this thing. Absolutely insane. Holy crap. Can you imagine driving this thing?
Dude, he does drive it. It's street legal.
For real?
He drives it on the road.
Dude.
Like, he made a prototype 2 years back. Or 2 years back, it was like a maroon one. He had it in here, and then I seen the video on Facebook. I mean, he's got a thing on Facebook about it. This is the new one that he did after the prototype. And he's actually building number 4 and number 5. He's actually building right now, I guess, is what it said on the video, on the picture.
Really?
Yeah, number 4 is going to be, I think number 4 and number 5 is going to be for this husband that his wife has number 2, actually.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
you imagine seeing both of them going up the road?
I know. I was like, wow. I was like, wow. So it's a crazy story, man. I mean, it's on Facebook. I remember, just go to like the Cavalcade, or I mean, the South Bend Auto Show's like posts that they have. They just posted. Just go on there and there's like a bunch of comments, and that dude's on there and he posted it up there.
That's awesome.
Yeah, he says all about it and everything.
You heard him, guys. Get on there and check him out.
He's got a picture of it in his garage and everything. I was like, wow, let's see if it's built it in.
This thing fits in the garage? Holy crap, look at these stairs, guys. I'm trying not to fall with this camera.
Yeah, be careful because a couple people have fell already.
Ah,
I will say.
all right. We got down off that thing. Holy crap, guys.